Hey there everyone, and welcome to this tutorial by Token Engineering Academy. If you're here, this means you would like to leave a thank you note on-chain or off-chain for Token Engineering Academy, and of course your fellow students, course authors, or lecturers. Before you start, take a look at the attestations we've received so far for some inspiration, and find your token engineering friends there. As we've just recently opened attestations at the time of recording, we will find one attestation there. This attestation is from TE Academy founder Angela, sharing how we first announced TE Academy back in 2020. Now, let's get started with leaving an attestation of our own. Step 1 will be to visit the Ethereum attestations website. The link is available in the description of this video. Step 2 will be to add TE Academy's address as a recipient, which is also available in the description of this video. Additionally, you could include other addresses that you would like to thank, such as course authors, study group hosts, study season fellowship candidates. There is no limit here. Step 3 will be to write your message and share what you love about TE Academy. So I will copy and paste my message here into the message string. Step 4 is to make your attestation. Note here that you can choose between off-chain and on-chain. On-chain is preferred, but it does require a small payment. So I'm going to connect my wallet. All right, my wallet is connected. Going to make the attestation. Going to confirm the transaction in the pop-up window. And now we just wait. All right, now here we can see my on-chain attestation. So after making your attestation, I would recommend continue checking back over time to see what other token engineering community members have to say. The link is available in the description of this video again. To all of those who have made it this far, thank you for your message to Token Engineering Academy. We appreciate you and everything we've achieved together over the years. Cheers, thanks.